QuickMealAmerica unveils a new fast bite, citrus barbecue salmon crostini that fuses diner charm with coastal flair. A sizzling slice of salmon tops crispy crostini, brushed with a tangy orange maple glaze for sparkle. Seeded crust, emerald chives, and a whisper of black pepper complete the punchy bite. It's designed for busy mornings or late-night cravings, delivering bold flavor in seconds without sacrificing texture. This fresh riff on American coastal comfort proves speed can taste surprisingly gourmet.